Hi friends, welcome back to the SKCAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this object in CREO parametric. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and support my friends. Click new part solid, can give part name here. Select mm part solid, select plane, sketch. You can see the base dimension is 125/75 by 15 mm thickness. Select center rectangle, and 25, 75, finish sketch, extrude after 15 mm. Go to so base is ready. Now you can see back side there is one plan, that is 50 mm length from the bottom. Select this surface, sketch, select corner rectangle, give the dimension 15 mm. Click OK. Extrude up to 35 mm. You can see there is one pipe flange here, that diameter is 152 and 28, from the bottom 45 mm. Select the surface, sketch, select circle, one more, this is 52, 28. Give the dimension from the bottom 45. Click OK. Extrude up to 38. Okay. 35 mm. Click OK. Now you can see there are two holes in the top side. Hole diameter is 15 and pitch is 45 mm. From bottom to hole 35 mm. Send circle 15, 35, from side to 15. Finish. Remove material, reverse direction. Okay. So select this feature, mirror. So select this feature, mirror. Select this feature, mirror. Select the center plane. OK. There is a 15 mm fillet both the corners, R15. Select round, give the dimension 15 mm. Select two corners. So that's it, friend. So you can see all the features are added. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video. Save the part, Ctrl S. Thank you, friends.